Yes, this is another beautiful good news I'm bringing your way, and I'm sure you're ready for it. Excellent. Have you heard about Chevening Scholarship 2026? Oh yes, it's now opened, and it is for you to apply if you are in a Commonwealth country, to apply to study in the United Kingdom at any UK university. You know about the worth of the scholarship. Some of you might know, some of you may not know. It's fully funded scholarship. It covers all your tuition fees, airfare from your home country, economic class, stipend, accommodation, flight tickets, everything that has to do with money. So this scholarship covers that. So I'm going to take you through to the website where you're going to share the deadline, how to apply, how to choose your home country, and put in an application. One thing you need to know about this scholarship is that you must first of all get an unconditional offer from, or a conditional offer from, any 3 UK universities. That is when you are able to apply for the scholarship. If you need help on how to apply for the universities in the United Kingdom, or to write a compelling personal statement that stands you out as a right candidate, then we are here to help you. Just DM us. Hello, the greater you. Welcome back. My name is Charity Aniti Aknam. I was once an international student like you, and I understand the journey that you are about to embark on. So I'm the right person to share with you my lived experience, to guide you through the journey and to successfully study in the United Kingdom on a scholarship. So I am the founder of The Greater You, a UK registered trademark, which is a platform I have created to empower all educational needs, improve professional and personal development of all young people across the globe to becoming the best versions of themselves. So we are a global community gearing at empowering each other's minds towards greatness. Hello, The Greater You. Welcome back to the website. Just like I said, this is the official website of Chevening Scholarship, and this is what it covers. Covers all things tuition, economic travel grants, which we've already mentioned, your travel top up allowance, monthly living stipend, arrival allowance, your economy travel to and fro from your home country. Yeah, so how can you then access this opportunity? That's why we are here. Why should they take you? How can you apply? First, we need to check the deadline and see how we can apply, because the deadline is essential. So it opens on the 5th of August. So this video comes in on the 8th of August, which is still very new. So you would need to, apply until 7th of October. You can see here on the screen. And then you receive feedback on the mid-October to January 2026. So once you are shortlisted, you will be called for an interview. Once applicants have been reviewed, British embassies and high commissions will produce a shortlist, and the candidates are invited to interview. So congratulations if you make it to this far. I'm sure you're gonna get it. And then mid to March to April 2026, and then deep down to mid-June 2026, you then arrive in the UK. You can see some of the pictures of the former awardees. Yeah. So that is the deadline. I'm sure, we familiarized ourselves with that. Then let's move down to who can apply. Who can apply? So Chevening Scholarships allows exceptional individuals, which I'm sure you are, to study for a 1-year master's degree in the United Kingdom at any course across any 3 UK universities. So first of all, you learn more about the eligibility criteria, and you must have some work experience. So let's check eligibility here. So you must be a citizen of Chevening eligible country, Commonwealth. So you find it here. When we are going to go to how to apply, you would see them. then you must have at least 2,800 hours of work experience. That should be like maybe 1 year or thereabouts. And I must have graduated from your undergraduate degree. So this is roughly equivalent to 2 years of full-time work. Yes, yeah, and you may have competed over a different time period. So you must have your undergraduate, have apply to 3 different eligible UK university courses, which you can find it here, and then receive unconditional offer. Yeah, that's when you then apply to Chevening scholarship. So if you are not eligible for Chevening scholarship, if you hold all these, I'm not ready to read them. You can see I have highlighted them, so you can read at your spare time. So please do want to join the family of the Greater You by subscribing to our YouTube channel and to remain a loyal and committed member. Excellent. Thanks so much for doing that. Let's say Botswana. Don't want to use Nigeria today. Yeah, Botswana. Click on Botswana. You select award. You will see fellowship and scholarship. So you are going for scholarship. So you can see these are open now. So you search. Excellent. So Botswana Chevening in Botswana. It opens until 7th of October. So you click apply now or apply today. So once you are here, you choose an award. So you type in your country again, Botswana, and then select the award program that you are applying for. We are applying for Chevening. So it's only Chevening scholarship that is available in Botswana. In other countries, there are other scholarships available from the British High Commission. So you click Chevening scholarship and then click continue. Yeah, continue. And then you register with your email address and your number. I'm not sure that my number is correct. Yeah, my email address. Let's repeat that here. Okay, my recovery email. Okay. And then click continue. Then you confirm this, you want to apply for this, and then continue. So you then verify your email address. So I'm opening up my phone now to verify. On your email address, they will ask you if you would verification link. They ask you if you will return to Botswana. You click yes. It's not showing here on the screen, so it is on my my phone, but I'll give you a screenshot. Yes, and then ask you, are you a citizen of Botswana? Yes. And then, do you hold a recognized undergraduate degree? Yes. And then, do you graduate from undergraduate degree 2023? You say yes. And are you 18 plus? Yes. Yes. Are you applying for funds studying in the UK? Yeah, you continue. So once you continue, you keep taking yes. They are very easy from there to take you down to just to complete and upload your personal statement. Welcome back from the website. I'm sure you've learned a thing or two and you now have the confidence to navigate the application portal on your own. But if you still need help, which I'm sure this journey needs someone to guide you, we are here to help you. But just a quick disclaimer, all things commercial activities are being handled by my spouse, but all things educational, the mentorship, the sharing of experience is being handled by me. So we are here to help you. Just check the description box below and go on our seller platform, and yeah, order our services. I'll be right back to help you with it. Thank you so much, and see you in class. See you at the top. What I've forgotten. See you at the top. That's where I belong. The greater you.